if I take this out, this is gonna, well, actually I could just show you the bottom. See that at the bottom? That's the original piece, the original plastic piece, and you can just see right here, this is that piece, and this is the Bluetooth keyboard. Now this wouldn't have fit in there absolutely at all, so I had to make some modifications. And the only downside is the camera is not showing, so I had to basically take out the phone in order to get to the camera. But I'm going to make some modifications to that. I'm going to try to drill a hole in there so it's like looks legit, because it already looks legit already, you know what I mean? Like it's not a bad case I made from my model phone from another model phone, you know. The other version has it's the same model, but it's got windows, like I said, but there's various ones that have multi-platforms. So basically there's one that has, I think, has both Android and Windows. So that's not a pretty bad thing to have two operating systems on one, with an octa-core, 2 gigs of RAM and 4 gigabyte ROM, I think, 16 gigs of internal space. Yeah, and also 4G LTE. It's not bad at all, really. Texting capabilities work. When I go on there, texting capabilities work. Now I'm not gonna text that girl when was gonna text her until now. Hold on for a second. Push internet fucking. Oh well, I'll fix it. Fuck it. She'll understand it. But anyway, I could basically, text on this phone. Also, I can actually dial the numbers from my keyboard on here. But my phone's not on. I can show you.
To complete this call, you must first dial a 1 or 0 plus the area code and phone number. Please hang up and try your call again.
Phone's off. Yeah, so not bad at all. Not bad at all. Oh yeah, it also charged. It didn't come with a charger, so you could charge it on the side with your regular charger, micro USB. This is like a type of phone that you would just sit down at a coffee shop, talk, text, make phone calls, write paragraphs, you know what I mean, like for school and shit like that. That's what I would do with this, really. But that's really basically, I got gaming videos with this phone with an iPega controller. I can I can either use this for gaming or I could use this for gaming. Doesn't matter, really. But I have gaming videos on YouTube, so you should check them out too. You might like them. Some of them's Minecraft. You know, some of them's funny videos also too. Like, yeah, just check out my videos. Deuces.